Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the inspiring journey of Lakshmi. She is a yoga and Pilates instructor who once struggled with many health issues. On her doctor's advice, she started practicing yoga and slowly her life began to change from pain to fitness, from struggle to strength. Her journey is truly inspiring. She also learned aerobics and Zumba and turned her passion into her profession. Let's see her journey in her own voice.
I'm Lakshmi Ajit and I'm a yoga instructor, yoga and Pilates instructor. I've started this line of yoga teaching. It's been almost 20 years. So I took my certification from Ayush, Central Board of Ayush. And, from then, it's been almost 20 years that I've started teaching yoga. Apart from yoga, I teach Pilates also, and I'm certified in Pilates as well. Like I take for group classes for individuals and even for as a family, a group of family. For them also, I take classes. I take both Hatha Yoga and Ashtanga Yoga. And Pilates, it's been almost 15 years because after my yoga teacher's training only, I did my Pilates certification. And I worked for a fitness studio as well for the last 5 years. So I do know a little bit of Zumba and aerobics. So my inspiration comes from myself. I think I should say that I was truly an example for myself because I had lot of health issues when I was working for a private company. I had got into a gynecological problem, and I had a cyst, which was very difficult. It was very small, so it was very difficult. So the doctor advised me to start yoga. So that was the first time I started doing yoga. So once when I started doing yoga, and when I did it continuously for 1 year, I came to know the kind of, the health benefits that I had. So I wanted this, the same health benefits for other women also, because a lot of women these days have these gynecological problems, stress issues. So I felt, yes, I should do something about this. So it started with me, and now I'm so proud to say that I've taught a lot of women and helped them also to come out of this problem. So basically this is what inspired me. Yes, I would say yes, to start a business of your own. There are a lot of hurdles, there are a lot of difficulties in the beginning, but then if you are, if you have that kind of a determination and you really want to set yourself an example, you can definitely do it. So I did have a lot of problems, like I was not having students, or if I go to some fitness institute, I did not have consistent students. So how I overcame all this was I started motivating them by giving my own example, my own health issues, and how I was maintaining myself healthy and fit doing yoga. So that itself was a big motivation for everyone, and that's how I overcome the difficulty that I faced teaching yoga for other women. So this is what all about me.
So that's the inspiring journey of Lakshmi, from facing health challenges to becoming a certified yoga, Pilates, aerobics, and Zumba instructor. She proved that with determination, anything is possible. If she can transform her life, she can inspire many others too. If you like her story, don't forget to support and appreciate such a hardworking woman around us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.